Today we took this opportunity to honor our veterans. First, we began by talking with our students about why we have Veterans Day, what it means, and what it means to us today. So many of our students are military, or they know someone who's in the military, who's served or who's currently serving. We even have students with parents who are currently deployed. So it was very meaningful to them. This is the 100th anniversary of Armistice Day. So I really tried to think about all of those things that have transpired in that last 100 years. And then I tried to use music to convey the emotions and the feelings that our kids were feeling. They were eager to participate, and they were really grateful for an opportunity really to thank the veterans. They don't get to see veterans very often, those who don't have family members serving or who have served. So it was a really great opportunity for them. I hope they know that we are grateful, that we appreciate them, and they will never be forgotten.